Welcome to Q.com Media. Let's learn together. The impact of robotics and drones on cybersecurity. The integration of robotics and drones into modern society is changing the way we interact with the world around us. Robotics and drones have the potential to revolutionize the cybersecurity landscape, as they offer the potential to improve security in a variety of different ways. Robotics and drones can be used to monitor large areas and to detect potential threats. By providing an automated system, they can help to identify potential intrusions and can even provide real-time alerts. This allows organizations to respond quickly and effectively to security breaches or other cyber-related issues. Additionally, robotics and drones can also be used to automate data collection, helping organizations stay secure and up to date on the latest security threats. Another advantage of robotics and drones is that they can be used to detect malicious insider activities. By monitoring employee activities, they can identify suspicious behavior, allowing organizations to take action before any malicious activity occurs. In addition, they can also be used to detect unauthorized access to sensitive data. This can help to prevent data breaches and other forms of cybercrime. Robotics and drones are also capable of providing organizations with enhanced levels of protection. They can be programmed to detect and block suspicious activity, as well as to provide additional layers of security. This can help to keep organizations safe from unauthorized access and data breaches. Finally, robotics and drones can also be used to increase the efficiency of data collection and analysis. By automating certain tasks, they can help organizations to save time and money while also improving the accuracy of their data. This can help to ensure that organizations remain secure and up to date on the latest security threats. Overall, robotics and drones are changing the way organizations protect themselves and their data. By providing a more automated and efficient approach to security, they offer the potential to revolutionize the cybersecurity landscape. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button to keep in touch.